Welcome Fun Hunter kids!
Hi guys! Today I'm not telling you what we got. I'm only showing you the back of these things.
Ooh,
Can you guess what they
are they? Looks like erasers. How cute!
And Kinder.
And we found another Little Miss Princess egg.
So first I'm going... Which one do you want to do, Mommy?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the tiger bites. So, eeny, meeny, miny,
Kill a bug.
mo.
I want to do this one first. Let's do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, soup. Again, that doesn't count. Rock, paper, scissors, soup.
Oh no!
So, I get to open the one I want to open.
Time to open the surprise.
And it's erasers.
It's the cutest one. It's Little Miss Hug. Cute Little Miss Hug. Zee, I hug you.
I hug you too. Oh, look. That's the one we got.
Where are you, Zee?
I'm getting the pencil.
Time to unbox the erasers. Cute little erasers. Guys, we brought this 2 pencils with us
So we don't lose them.
so that we can put the erasers on the pencils.
Cute. Her ponytail comes out. Oh. He's going to look at the picture in case you're missing it. Do we have her mouth? Do we have her mouth? Do we have her mouth view? Do we have her nose? Nosy. Cute. Her hair comes out. So we can also make her into a boy like these. You just want to sit there and like you just want to dance. You know my heart. Saying I'm
All right.
do.
Let me see her face. She looks
And you can
funny.
also make her into a boy.
Oh
So you
yeah,
can
you
make
can
her
take her ponytail off, right?
Same thing for this. You can.
Yeah.
There's also a hole that you can put. Nah.
Where's my glasses? Can you get me my glasses, please?
First, I'll take out your hat, and then your hair. I'll to cut your hair out, and then ka-ching.
Upside down glasses. I cannot see clearly. Hi guys. It's me, Miss Pink Lips.
Pink Lips. Your name is Pink. Your name is JoJo. Cause you have a JoJo bow. Are you okay with this hairdo?
Let me see.
This Adrian kind? What about this? Are you okay with this hairstyle?
I like her ponytail. It's so cute.
Do you like with this? I put your
Hey.
right hair on. Let's write. Time to ride some bike.
Thank you for watching Fun Hunter Kids. Subscribe and enjoy watching our other fun videos. Bye.